Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this occasion, I will present a video tutorial on how to create an interactive presentation using Canva application. And in this time, I chose Recount Text as the material that will be presented on the presentation slide. And later, I will also provide an example of Recount Text about Idulfitri holiday, where Idulfitri here is one of the local wisdom in Islam. So without any further ado, let's go to the video tutorial. Now we will continue to the tutorial. So for the first one, we open Google Chrome, and here we should write canva.com in the place for address and enter. Yeah, so this is the main view of the Canva application, and there are various designs that we can make using Canva. But this time, I will create a presentation design with using this application. And for this presentation, the theme I use for the material is Recount. So now we continue, we choose the presentation. Alright, so here there are various templates that we can use for making the presentation. Yeah, but now I will choose this one because I think this is very interesting. Okay. So this is, we should apply the template for all the page. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, and then the view will look like this, guys. So for the first one, we should choose which one template that we should delete before because this one, there are many templates that we will not use after this. So I think I will delete it first. I will delete it also. Now we will continue to edit. Here, we should replace the word with Recount Text. Yeah, because as I have explained before, here I will choose Recount Text material for the theme, for this presentation I mean. Okay, I think this is too large, so I will make it little, make it smaller, I mean. Okay, we edit first, and then here we can put your name. So I will use Rofi'ah. I'll use my name for this one. Yeah. And then if you wanna add something or add some flowers or anything else, you can use the element here. Yeah, and then you can look for what element, what do you want to put in the presentation. Alright, so now we will continue to the next slide. Yeah, I think I'm gonna erase it because it will not be used for this presentation today. So we just directly delete it. Yeah. Okay. So before I continue to edit this slide, here I have written the material about the Recount Text, including about the definition of Recount Text, and then the structure of Recount Text, including orientation, events, and reorientation. And here also I provided an example, which is about one of local wisdom in Java, about Idulfitri experience. This is the title, is Idulfitri experience in my grandma village. So here I can use it. So I will change this word with the definition of recount text. I'm sorry, I would like to write just definition. Alright, I will erase it because this will not be used also. Yeah, and then this one, I just directly copy and paste this sentence to this application. Alright, so I think this is larger. I will make bigger. I will put the definition word in the middle of the slide, and then we'll make it larger. This is the definition of recount text. I will put the sentence also in the middle of this slide. Okay, and here it is for the definition of recount text. And then we will continue to the next part, which is about the structure. So here there are three kinds of structure. The first one is orientation, events, and reorientation. And here I would like to delete it first, and then I will change this word to structure. And don't forget to put this word in the middle of the slide. Alright, so because for the structure there are three kinds, here I would like to add more the number. I will make it smaller. And then this is the final result of this slide, which is talk about the structure of recount text. And then we will continue to the next slide. So I dislike this color, so I'm gonna delete this part. And then we will continue to the last aspect, which is talk about the example of recount text. Okay, I will edit this one first. This will be gonna delete. So in this presentation, I just provide one example. We'll make it larger because the example is the paragraph of the example is too much. So this is, we just directly copy and paste. Okay, then it's enough. We will make it larger also. Don't forget in the other side. Okay, this is the final result of our presentation today. Sis, thank you. So wait a moment, I'm gonna make something here. So those are the ways to make sweet and interesting presentation using this Canva application. I hope this video tutorial can help and make it easier for everyone, especially students and even university students who want to make presentation with attractive templates. Hope you guys enjoy and like this video. Thank you and bye bye.